to my channel. We experimented growing vegetables in our backyard. Initially, we prepared the land by plowing and adding nutrients to the soil. Then we planted many seedlings. We nurtured and protected the plants every day. It was very exciting to watch them grow. Whenever I get bored, I walk around my garden. We harvested tomato, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, purple cabbage, French beans, okra or lady's finger, yard-long beans, ridge gourd,
Ooh, that was fast.
bitter gourd,
This is green chili. I'm scared of it.
The best of all was plucking them, and of course eating too. Broccoli is my favorite vegetable. What is yours? Comment down below. We got a tiny watermelon that tasted so sweet.
Ooh.
Please excuse my different hairstyle as this video was shot for a span of 1 month. Uprooting the carrots was so much fun, but we only got 2. Strawberry, pineapple, this looks like a bouquet. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please do subscribe.